While awaiting departure for Guam, Felipe Sonsong stayed at the Jesuits Colegio de San Ignacio. There he obeyed his new Jesuit superiors. Sonsong offered penances for their salvation, including wearing an uncomfortable hair shirt made of goatskin. The ex-Macabebe soldier had to learn how to sew with the same hands that once wielded a rifle. In August 1667, Father Sanvitores boarded the ship with 5 Jesuit priests, Lorenzo Bustillo, and 11 lay helpers. Lorenzo would later write Sonsong's biography. Among the helpers were boys chosen for their religiosity, domestic skills, military skills, and voices. The group included Pedro Calungsod, Andres de la Cruz, Nicolas Figueroa, and Felipe Sonsong. Sanvitores' mission was accompanied by 3 Spanish military officers, 31 soldiers, and an interpreter named Esteban, a Visayan who spoke Chamorro. They sailed past the Marianas to Acapulco, Mexico, seeking money from the viceroy. They endured 5 grueling months of seasickness, hunger, thirst, scurvy, and boredom. In January 1668, they finally arrived in Acapulco. En route to Acapulco, the natives joined the ship's crew in the lower deck. Felipe Sonsong, however, found solace in his devotions, as noted by the Jesuit lay brother on the same ship. Sonsong executed every task assigned to him. Felipe Sonsong served as an advisor to his younger companions, including Pedro Calungsod. He encouraged them to always perform their task well and took on the role of teaching catechism to both Spanish, native soldiers, and officers. Sonsong always ended his task with a bow and asked for forgiveness for any errors he might have made.